Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download VPN on iPhone without App Store. There is a link in the description where you can try NordVPN at a great price. NordVPN gives you better privacy, more speed and safer browsing compared to free servers. Start by opening the settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. In General, scroll down again and tap on VPN. Now tap Add VPN Configuration. You will see different VPN types. Tap the type option, choose the one you prefer, and then go back. Now open Safari or Chrome and go to the website vpngate.net. You will find a list of free VPN servers. Check the speed and ping, then copy the address of the server you want to use. Go back to your VPN settings. In the description field, type VPN. In the server field, paste the address you copied. In the account field, type VPN. In the password field, also type VPN. If there is a required field, type VPN again. Tap Done at the top right. You will now see the VPN profile in the list. Turn on the status switch to connect. It might take a few seconds. Once connected, you will see a small VPN icon near the signal bars at the top of your screen. This method works for free servers, but for faster speeds, better encryption, and a stable connection, use NordVPN instead. The link is in the description where you can try NordVPN at a great price.